knead it a little, get it going in that strip. It needs to be a little bit wider. This is about 2 inches high, by the way, so this needs to be a little bit more than 2 inches high. Okay, I'm gonna flip it. No, I'm not. I'm gonna cut it first. Now the problem with this is because it actually slopes in. So I'm hoping it's gonna work out right. If not, I'll have to think of something else. Cut that, and I'll do a little more than 2 inches here. So I'll cut this one in at an angle and see if that helps at all. And this one at an angle. And okay, I'm gonna flip it over, put the shortening on the back of this. You can either put the shortening on here or on the back of this. I think that's gonna be a little bit faster for me. Okay, so I don't really want the seam in the front, so I'll go around here and just get it on first of all. Okay, and come back. All right, so I want this all to be the same height, so I need to pull it up so that the trim is right at basically the base of the underneath of the tree. So right in here, that the base is right there, and that will hang down just over it. So that all looks good there. So this, you're just gonna have to bring that in and kind of smoosh it down. All right, now I'm at the end here. Let me do this side first. And then I will use my palette knife to actually cut this. Okay, so I want it kind of further back here. And then I will do a straight line here. And then bring this over, try so you can see. Okay, and I can see where that line is underneath it, cut that, and then just butt that up against there. Okay, make sure you have that really flat on top for the next piece to go on. Looks like I have some little frayed edges here, so if I go with my finger, that means I didn't make a deep enough cut with my strip cutter there. That's a FMM strip cutter. Okay, so the next tier is going to be the dark green. And I will do the same thing. And on we go. A little short, so let me see if I can stretch it a little bit. If not, then I will be doing it over. Ah, it tore. I don't like that. See right there? So I will redo it knowing that I need it to be longer than that. So probably about the width of this. And let's just try this again. Okay, once you know it's in the right spot, you can go ahead and fix the top area. Looks a little high, so I just lowered it a tad bit. And then do our seam in the back. Just blend it together a little bit, but we'll have decorations on our tree, and I'm going to keep that part to the back anyway. Okay, and then this one part that I didn't cut so well, where is that? Right. Let me fix that first. Right here. Just kind of fix that up a bit. Okay, last one. I don't think you're really going to see much. I think I need to bring this out just a little bit more actually around the base so it sticks out just a little bit more. And this is going to go back to the light green.